The human brain, weighing about 3 pounds, it's the most complex structure we know in the universe. 86 billion neurons, trillions of connections, and yet, we're still far from fully understanding our own minds. Today, we'll discuss 3 great mysteries humanity has been searching for answers to for centuries: consciousness, dreams, and decapitation. If you're ready, we're embarking on a mysterious journey into the dark corridors of our brains. Close your eyes and think, who am I? There's a voice inside us. The emotions we feel, the ideas we think, the memories we experience. But how can all of this be the product of electrical signals in our brains? Scientists have largely understood how the brain works. We know that neurons are connected by electrical signals, but no one can explain how these signals translate into self-consciousness. Philosopher David Chalmers calls this the hard problem of consciousness. Why do electrical currents in the brain create an experience like feeling, rather than just information? How does the sensation of pain hurt? Why does a song touch our soul? According to some theories, consciousness arises from the brain's interactions at the quantum level. Another view is that consciousness is a fundamental property of the universe, just like time and space. So maybe we're not thinking, the universe is thinking through us. Every night when we close our eyes, our subconscious transports us to other worlds. Sometimes we meet a friend we haven't seen in years. Sometimes we find ourselves in the midst of impossible events. But when we wake up, all that remains are fragmented images and sometimes forgotten feelings. So why do dreams exist? According to some scientists, dreams are a way for our brains to organize the information we learned during the day. Some people believe that dreams exist to simulate the future, preparing us for life and rehearsing different scenarios in our minds. Psychoanalyst Sigmund Freud said that dreams are a reflection of our repressed desires, fears, and subconscious conflicts. But something still remains unsolved. Why do some dreams seem to come true? What are those moments when we say, I dreamed that, after an event actually occurs? While some scientists say this is a glitch in the brain's short-term memory, some people claim to see signs of fate or the unconscious in these moments. That feeling that everyone experiences at least once in their life. Felt like I had experienced this moment before. You're sitting in a cafe, sipping your coffee, and the words your friend says, the sounds around you, and the atmosphere you feel seem familiar. But it's impossible, because this moment is happening for the first time. Scientists call this déjà vu, which means previously seen. So why does the brain play such a trick on us? Memory error theory. The brain mistakenly processes the present moment as a past memory. Dual process theory. Information goes into short-term and long-term memory simultaneously. The brain confuses the two. Quantum theory. An even crazier claim is that we feel the events happening in parallel universes at the moment of the collapse, as if we were blinking an eye. Science can't provide a definitive answer, but one thing is certain. Decapitation still holds a great mystery about how our brains perceive the concepts of time and memory. The human brain is more powerful than a computer, but it is also the only system that is aware of its own existence. Consciousness, the secret of existence. Dreams, the theater of consciousness we see at night. Déjà vu, a brief spark that the mind throws at us. These 3 mysteries remind us, perhaps the largest undiscovered universe is within ourselves. We peer into the depths of space with telescopes. We send robots to the bottom of the oceans. But the real secret lies within our own minds, in the recesses of our brains. Perhaps humanity will never truly understand the universe until it unravels its own mind. So, what do you think? Is consciousness an illusion, or the greatest truth of the universe? Do dreams reveal the future, or could the rape be an echo of another life? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. In the next episode, we'll explore one of the universe's greatest mysteries together. Until then, stay curious,